Hello, guys. It's Uche Alex here, and I am here to take you through the journey of acquiring a graphic design skill from beginner to intermediate and probably to advanced level. So, let's get started. So, first of all, what is graphic design? Well, before we go into the actual definition of graphic designs, I bet you must have seen a lot of graphics design all your life. You remember that moment you're walking down the street and you looked up and you saw that billboard of a music concert, and you looked at the billboard and you saw your favorite artists by the side of the billboard. You saw Davido, you saw Flavor, you saw Wizkid, and the other side of the billboard, you're seeing the venue for the concert, you're seeing the dates, you're seeing other featured artists for the concert, and you'll be like, wow, wow, so this is going down. Yes, that billboard there is graphics design, and it is strategically put there to let you know about the concert that is coming up. So I know probably you must have been handed over a poster from a company, probably trying to market what they sell to you. That there is graphics design. That handbill that the company or the marketer handed over to you is graphics design. And you also remember that time you were walking down the road and some churches were somewhere carrying out an evangelism, and they stopped you to share a flyer with you about their church, to tell you about um, coming to worship with them. That right there is graphic design. That flyer that they gave to you, containing the name of their church, containing several informations about the church, that there is graphics design. And also, you can remember when you were walking down the street and you probably want to make use of an ATM service. You wanted to withdraw cash from a POS, like in Nigeria, where we have POS outlets where you can withdraw cash without the banks, right? So without the ATM machine, you needed cash badly, and you're looking around for where you can get the POS service. And while you're looking around, you see a poster or you see a little write up or a banner by a shop that's written boldly POS here. Then you quickly walk towards that shop and enter the shop to buy. That banner up there that tells you POS here is simply graphic design. That banner is graphic design. So you see that every day of our lives we deal with graphic designs. Graphic designs are everywhere or around us. And if you notice, one constant thing about the examples that I've shared with you, the billboards, the handbills, the flyers, the banners, all these things are containing information that are trying to communicate to us. The big billboard there about Davido's concert is trying to tell us about Davido's concert, or trying to tell us about a musical concert that will be going down in a particular location which is listed on the billboard. Then the marketer is trying to communicate to you about their services through the flyer they are trying to share to you. Then the church that is trying to evangelize with you and sharing a flyer with you is also trying to tell you about their church, trying to invite you. Then that flyer contains the information about their church, their visions, their goals, and the rest of it, their days of services, and the rest. Then the POS banner, that banner at the top of the shop there is trying to tell you that, yeah, we do POS here. Without that banner there, you won't know that that shop offers that service. So the banner, the billboard, the hand flyers, they are all trying to convey an information to you, or they are all trying to communicate to you. So that's the essence of graphic design. So that's the essence of graphic design, right? So that takes us to the actual definition of graphic design. So graphic design is the communication of ideas or information through the use of text, shapes, or images. If you remember that Davido's billboard, you remember that you have the image of Davido somewhere there. We have the image of Fino, we have the image of Flavor on the billboard, right? They're trying to tell us that Davido, Flavor, and Fino will be there in the concert. So that image of Davido there is passing a message to us. Then you see the use of text there on the design to tell us about the date and the venue of the program, and also probably the name of the music concert. So probably with the example I gave you about the POS vendor, the POS shop, probably by their banner, you see the picture of POS machine. That literal picture of POS machine on the banner helps communicate what they are doing to you. So in graphic design, we use images, we use text, we use shapes to communicate, to convey an information to our target audience. So now you have known what graphic design is, and you have also seen practical examples of how they play out in every day of our lives. Then why is graphics design important? Why is it such an important field? Or why should you even consider it as a career path? Graphic design is super important and a very effective means of communication between humans, because we humans are visual beings. And what do I mean by humans being visual beings? Right? Unlike other animals that are characterized by their sense of smell or hearing, like the dog is known for its sense of smell. That is why, even in our security systems, the dogs are trained to sniff out drugs or sniff out certain substances by the security agencies. Humans are not trained to do that because we don't even have that high level of sense of smell like the dog, but the dog has that high sense of smell. So the dogs are trained to sniff out these things in our security systems. So then the bat as well, we know that the bat flies with its ears and sound. So the bat uses sound to fly and navigate its way around. So these animals are characterized by their sense of smell and hearing. Then humans are characterized by their ability to think and imagine with pictures and images. So that is why they say that we are visual beings. Just think about it for a while. Right now, each time you are thinking, pay attention to your thoughts. Let's say you're hungry and you want to think about the food you eat. Like this particular biscuit that you want to eat, that maybe probably you want to eat at that moment. Instantly, while you're thinking about that biscuit, you instantly start seeing the image of that biscuit in your head. We think and imagine in pictures and images. So that is why graphic design is really, really important in effective communication. And this is why graphic design is a very important industry and a very lucrative business. Because as long as humans exist, we will always need graphic designs to communicate information between ourselves. So that also means that as long as humans exist, that graphic designers will always be needed, right? So you see why it is an amazing industry that will never die. Graphic design industry have existed so many years ago, and it is still going on strong till date, because humans will always communicate effectively using visuals, images, pictures. All right. So as long as humans exist, graphic design industry will keep going strong. So that's that for this video, which serves as an introduction to graphic design, and we have also shared with you some real life use cases of graphic design, and we have also gone further to give you a professional definition of graphic design, and we have also shared with you why graphics design is very, very important and lucrative business. So that's that for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.